Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them a shake down the look of people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. So this is part two of the the Jamaicans in America kind of like $100. Yeah man, to sell out them country. So they have promoted themselves from a box of Kentucky Fried Chicken to $100 now. So these are the people that sold out Marcus Garvey. So them gone from a box of Kentucky in Jamaica and rum to in United States of America $100. So it's so easy you can buy Jamaicans. The PMP criminal organization supporters them. LICKY-LICKY $100. Them sell out them own country. So this is part two of two. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yes, whether you like Mr. Vegas or not, you don't really go here or there, but one thing we can say for sure, Mr. Vegas, the Jamaica dancehall artist, you know that Mr. Vegas is a patriot. And the reason why we say that is that the man had defend Jamaica. This is something that is unprecedented. We have never had any opposition to get people in the diaspora to demonstrate against Brand Jamaica until this British man, this Mark Baby Trump Golden. Yes, not until Mark Baby Trump Golden came on the scene. So now we have the traitors them. See them here? Yes. If these people care about Jamaica, they would ask the PNP criminal organization to kick out the wife killer of Jarlan Silvera out of the PNP criminal organization. But they are part of the swamp of criminal enablers. Yeah man, that's the man name Wilfred Rattigan and that all bossy slave because they might try to to extort the Jamaican government. And there's a man, that man is not Jamaican, that is a MI6 spy. So whether or not you like Mr. Vegas, you have to applaud him because Mr. Vegas is really standing up for brand Jamaica. We have never had this before in the history of Jamaica. The PNP criminal organization was in power for 18 years. That's when time the murder rate run away because you know that the PNP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. I remember that 98% of the people are in prison aligned to the PNP criminal organization. So we know at the Jamaica Young Police Center that they are the real problem in Jamaica that's causing the crimes. Majority of the Kingston metropolitan area where the criminals and breed like chinks are in a PNP communities. Because I am from a PNP community, born and raised, Jonestown, Concrete Jungle. That I see him constituency that Mark Gold represent. I am more honest than all these three men. These three men that you're looking at right there, Mark Baby Trump Golden and Wilfred Rattigan and Robert, big, good for nothing man. They are all traitors. Some will do anything to bring down Jamaica. So what Mr. Vegas has done, what he is able to galvanize Jamaicans in the diaspora. I would love to join him to defend Jamaica. Yeah, because what he has done is something honorable and patriotic, but based on my job and one and two little things, I could not do anything like that because my allegiance is not with Jamaica. Born there, but you understand. So anyone who, Mr. Vegas, a true Jamaican patriot. That's all I want the world to know. When I put up in picture so you hear, we say it here. Yes, he's a true Jamaican patriot. And anyone who questions Mr. Vegas' motives as political is betraying the essence of Jamaica. I, Chris Porter at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, deeply respect and fully support Mr. Vegas as a retired United States military veteran, former detective of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, last division I work, St. Andrew South. I wish I could be there physically to show my support. Yeah man, for brand Jamaica, because and the reason why we migrate from Jamaica is because I see people them who orchestrate this demonstration, the PNP criminal organization. Honestly, the little tie that it changed in 2007, it kind of cheap, because I'm telling you, the corruption was so rampant in our police force that even at one point when I was a detective at Hornsby, I said that I am asked any police officer, I said that it would be best if Zeeks was the crime chief or Dudas, because the people in St. Andrew South would get a better form of policing than from the police officers were there, because they were more dangerous than the criminals. And when I say I'm talking the superintendent, Newton Amos, Oswald Ear, Para Campbell, Bud Spencer. It was a criminal cabal. I'm telling you, police officers were there when I was there. When they were part of hijacking and robbing goods truck. Police, may I tell you, you understand? That was on the PNP in Nepal. Who could I go to? Because all of the high-ranking police officers were known PNP criminal organization activists, the cowboys, the whole of them, even the commissioner of police, Francis Fab. So to protect my life, I had to left because I could not serve in a police force where corruption was rampant. As you have seen, even when Cowboy had gotten the promotion to assistant commissioner of police, because you know that he was doing everything that Portia Simpson Miller wanted him to do. Cowboy wasn't a police officer, he was a criminal activist in a uniform. And as you heard, the FBI said Peter Bunting have one of the most dangerous police officers in his clique, and they were criminals. The FBI was talking about police officers like Derek, Cowboy, Arsmouth, Clappy Knight. So we want you to listen to Mr. Vegas because we applaud him. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel applaud him for his efforts, what he's doing to maintain brand Jamaica. And I don't care who wants to say, so if If Mr. Vegas is labor right then, that means only labor rights are patriot. Because PMP don't see themselves as Jamaicans, you know. Them see themselves as PMP first, PMP second, and PMP third. So you cannot treat them as Jamaicans. Because you don't see any of them, you know, within the PMP criminal organization denouncing what these people are doing, what Mark Golden is doing along with Wilfred Rattigan and that man, the farmer, Big Belly man. You understand? You know that it's God will deal with them. So we want you to listen to Mr. Vegas. We wish we could be there, but we weren't there physically, but we were there in spirit. And we applaud all of these Jamaicans standing up. And Mr. Vegas really represents. So we know that most of the bloggers on YouTube, you know them not different Jamaica, because most of them they are PMP criminal organization supporters, whether quietly or them say it out loud. As me, yeah, Team Jamaica. No guy can question my credibility, because me born and growing at the belly of the beast. So all of the other them are just riffraff. Them come from Captureland and them place there. You understand? The Frog City them and them little dirty place there. Born and raised in a Jonestown, which part it all started. So no guy can question my credibility. When me have credibility when me attack say PMP a criminal organization. So if a guy want to say me a labor, no, me not a PMP, me a Jamaican. Me not defend no criminal, no time. So those of you who want to label Mr. Vegas as labor, not only that you're dumb, but you are not a patriot. You're not a Jamaican. You are a PMP. PMP don't see themselves as Jamaican. They see themselves as PMP first, PMP second, and PMP third. And I've heard a little blogger, saying that Mr. Vegas is labor right and come out, all because he's defending. So those of you who defend the United States of America and you don't support Mr. Vegas, you're a traitor to Jamaica. The reason why I'm not, could not drive up to DC and participate what is because of my job. As my allegiance is to the United States of America. Yes, and full stop. These people who are demonstrating against Jamaica, they are not patriots, they are traitors. So if you have any friend and they don't denounce what the PMP criminal organization is doing in the United States of America, you know that is not a Jamaican. So you have to distance yourself from them and stay far from them. Because you know, traitors are traitors, you know. They will stab you the least chance they get. So I want you to listen to Mr. Vegas. After you listen to Mr. Vegas, we're going to hear you listen to a PMP criminal organization activist. Born, raised, even now she bleed orange, she named Karen Cross. You know, we tell you about her and others. You understand? So we want you to listen. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Listen to Mr. Vegas, and then you're gonna hear her. And then we come back and do some justice, because we are different. Over here, you know, our Jamaica Young Police Channel, Team Jamaican. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
So yo, stay here. You understand? So, what? Soon 10 o'clock, we there. The anti-Jamaicans them over there, so they have the corruption sign up already. They have them whatever up already. And of course, them get the side of the road there. Them get the side of the road there. And them they are the right place, you see? Them they are the right place. They put them on the right side of the world. You understand? So them get to go in front of the Jamaican embassy. We didn't want to go in front of the Jamaican embassy, but them come and them take it, so we don't want to cause no problem. So I went to the police officers, and of course, it's our constitutional rights according to the police them, for people that living in America to do whatever in terms of protest, whatever, just don't be unruly. So, them never want to come at the protest, so I go to the officer, and the officer make it okay for us to be across the street. So the people them were coming forward, see them, we come celebrate Jamaica on the side of the road there. See, them have end corruption, so all of them things there. We are brand Jamaica, we are saying, come to Jamaica, feel alright, see? Right. Boom, so we have a beautiful team already, we just reached, see? So other people are coming, yeah, but you don't know. We will give you more as we go along, see? Sweet Jamaica, the man over there play Bob Marley, you know, Bob Marley that turn name grave. Look how the man over there disgrace Bob Marley name. Yeah. Oh, you have to play Bob Marley. And God, yo, L.A. Louis Speed for there. LA Lewis, you need to there. The people of this great Jamaica, that's why they put them side of the flag there. Look on the flag where they put them side up. Look on the flag where they put them side up.
Very interesting. This is very interesting. You can be a People's National Party representative or member or supporter, but you do not have to try and bring down the country with you.
Yes.
Do not try to bring down Jamaica. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is horrible. This is disgraceful. This is disgraceful. This is sad. This is sickening. You come to the Washington, the capital, to do this. Shame on you. Shame on you.
My God, man. Me listen to the man and the man. Me never hear the man. We at the Jamaica Young Police, we buy even the philosophy of Marcus Garvey book and send go give youth them at Jamaica. In the garrison, so if you read it, and once them read it, they will see themselves in our next man. They won't think about if kill nobody. Because all killing do, is just continue the cycle of killing and killing and killing. Man want revenge and it now go stop. If you check back all the murder them in the garrison, it's them like all 40, 50 years ago. And that's how it does continue. Because education is non-existent. People them illiterate, dunce. Them say boy them, yeah man, them dunce and proud. You understand? Remember, you know, Usain Bolt and Chris Gayle, these men are Jamaican patriots. These men exemplify what it means to stand by their country and island. Jamaica. So no PMP criminal organization supporter could ever persuade them to sell out their nation. So Mark gonna be a goal in them try, yeah, based on information, them try for court. Hey, may I tell you, the PMP they're not easy, them with the money that Usain Bolt lost. So now they must say Usain Bolt now. The same PMP them, they must say Usain Bolt is a part of a cabal because stream now come out and beat up Jamaica banking system and all kind of thing and walk with the money. Him a labor right. And that they must say because him now come out and because him now do things to make them win politically. So nothing wrong if Usain Bolt a labor right. If him a labor right, at least him have conscience. PMP now have none. I tell you that PMP are not Jamaican. PMP, it's a cult, it's a criminal organization. And not until we are able to rid Jamaica of this kind of thought process and thinking, Jamaica won't become a first world country because these people are entrenched and embedded in criminality. We are telling that all them do and go 2 away from my community. 2 away. So no guy can't tell me nothing. The country guy and a guy from the Kingston 13 and a guy from nowhere can't. No guy from East Kingston can't tell me nothing because I come from the belly of the beast where it start from Bury Boy and fed them up Jonestown. No guy can't tell me nothing. So a guy go. You understand? Me I defend Jamaica. You understand? Me not defend boy. You just always a beat up here. Oh, me I tell the truth. Me not busy what you want to say. Me I tell you the truth. So if you are a PMP criminal organization supporter or activist, whether at home or in the diaspora, and you support what the foreigner, Mark Baby Trump Golden, is doing to Jamaica, then know this. You are not a Jamaican patriot. You are a traitor as these three men. Your man, Ugly Sum, see me as a rat, Dr. Rupert Francis, traitor, Wilfred Rattigan, traitor. Yes. Mr. Vegas, I own the Jamaican one of the Jamaican blogger who are patriot and current cross. Them are defend Jamaica, brand Jamaica. That way you understand. That now nothing to do in the part, I just patriotism. Them love them country. You hear current cross are defend Edward Seaga. So the legacy of Edward Seaga, George Philip Seaga live. Me can't tell you this. So when I'm telling about how Seaga a devil, Seaga not a devil. Michael Mann is the devil. Seaga never send one Jamaican go train in any foreign country for come back and terrorize Jamaicans. Michael Mann sent over 2,000 Jamaican youths to Cuba for train and come back and terrorize the Jamaican people them. All of the empty building them that you see in a Spanish Town Road or in a Kingston, in were empty and abandoned. A PMP criminal organization gunmen them go Cuba or Michael Mann make them go train in a as brigadista and them come back and do them damage. And Edward Siaga did say nobody if you come back come do that. So when them tell us say Siaga or Siaga this, Siaga will be able to them. Siaga never use the security force yet for fight politics. The PMP use it even under when PJ Patterson, a prime minister, when Michael Manley was prime minister, the police force were in cahoots with the same criminal from my community. You hear all the man in one video we do about with Eventide. That man was a brigadier, and him a tell you say at them same one, even up him see all him friend them in a gunman, cause he must gunman to them go in a police vehicle with them police, you hear him talk, and them shoot up all down a cloud show place at a while. A PMP do that. The police them is never aligned with the Jamaica Labour Party, because the Jamaica Labour Party no support criminality in that essence. Them have them people, but the people them actively, as a year Edward Siaga said, them more defender in them community. If you look and you use your sense, and we do something again about Borough Boy and Feathermap, because my parents know them. At Jonestown me come from, Jonestown me born. Me and a little boy went time the man they dead. Them treat them like God. But when Feathermap did dead, yeah, no, him couldn't get no fanfare funeral like what Borough Boy get. But we soon touch into that and them thing there, because boy, I tell you so many things that has been going on. But we can't tell you of all of the YouTubers them, yeah man, Mr. Vegas Patriot, because Mr. Vegas is not a big time blogger, although him have him name out there and all them things. Mr. Vegas not do no blogging for make no money, because him still do him stage show them and them thing there. And look, it's just that Mr. Vegas when him do him show and them thing there, this release them man they make a 30,000 US. So them man they not have to blog. Because blogging now give him the money and them thing. Them just do it because I defend Jamaica. Team Jamaica the man say. You understand? Him now want to see Jamaica disintegrated and become 80 because that them want it for, you know. I want if you know what did happen in all 1980. When all 6 o'clock you can't see from 3 miles to downtown. Because you know so when the night come out, the PMP gunman them come out. And them did have all like M16 them. All of the labor right them did have was M4, and them they were forced to defend themselves because Borough Boy and Feathermap before then kill off whole heap of labor right. Me I tell you, in a Portia Simpson constituency was a labor right constituency, you know, a terrorism them use it and turn it in a PMP, you know. You think no five people them are still live over the over village in a PNW, you know. No for them over there are still labor right, but them can't talk. Because the terrorists, them over upon the high-rise building them. And they are the ones, none of them will live there, no one building them. The rightful owners were massacre, a genocide. And them commit all of the most. We have 2 big genocide in Jamaica. We don't tell about Eventide, and then you have Eventide, and then you have Payne Avenue genocide. And them not tell you nothing about them things there. You understand? But we are tell you, because we love Jamaica, we are Jamaican. The team Jamaica we say. You understand? So to add a little caveat to our message, let's honor the late Edward George Philip Siaga. Yeah man, we said that the best prime minister ever in my lifetime. Siaga was a true Jamaican patriot who renounced his American citizenship at 22. Despite being criticized by the PMP criminal organization for his heritage as being a white man, Siaga never wavered in his commitment to Jamaica. In stark contrast, these same critics now embrace British MI6 spy Mark Baby Trump Golden, who even disrespected the longest serving Prime Minister, PJ Patterson, by hanging up the phone on him. And PJ not even have the balls to come out and tell them, say, just be a patriot man, say, oh, what are doing in the diaspora wrong, and I want to demonstrate against it. When PJ they then commit the amount of crime against all even humanity. Because the amount of crime a PJ committed against the people of Jamaica, the street saga, when pick up the homeless people, them a Montego Bay and carry them, 5 of them walk going in a mud lake and never to go return. Once you go in a mud lake, disintegrate, just melt like butter in a sun. 5 up to now them can't find them. And the International Criminal Court, nobody no report it to them for them investigate it. Because somebody supposed to go to prison for that. 5 people. Edward Siaga never do that yet, but them that may I tell you, you know, say, you see, because the media house in Jamaica, they are not for the poor people, you know, and poor people don't realize that, you know. Because I don't feel like saying to do things and commit crime for PMP, that cool. That not cool. Because of your own brother and sister you are destroy. Right now, see them are destroy brand Jamaica in the diaspora. You think say Andrew Holness in our earth, or the Jamaica on our earth? Because Andrew Holness is not Jamaica. The Jamaica Labour Party is not Jamaica. Jamaica is every Jamaicans. So see the boss slave along the one where him, Dr. Rupert Francis, and the others, the marches for them are march killers like Danville Palmer, leader, and we refuse and we expose the alarming truth about their march, their fake march. See there, see Danville Palmer, that I murder where Baby Chump march with that the boy at bottom, and see a female girlfriend that up at top where them kill. See him PMP them kill him, and a Labour right kill him because him and PMP a fight. But yet still them a tell you say about corruption. Up to now you don't see one of the Labour right them a march with the murder right in Jamaica. But you see this British MI6 spy. I know say the PMP people them in from my community, they are criminal minded people. Same day they a march with him. Just like how we have the little boy chicken back and him brother them a kill Labour right over Gregor Park for vote. So he might use the same Michael Manley strategy to become Prime Minister. And then him have dual citizenship. Him not born, him have no connection to Jamaica. And then he'll dummy them because them can't think. Them say PMP no see themselves as Jamaican. Me tell people that long time, you know. From me I grew me know that them see themselves as PMP first, PMP second, and PMP third. The only people them say as Jamaica in Jamaica as Jamaican and Labour right. Sometimes you have different Jamaica, you are Labour right. So Mr. Vegas now, a different Jamaica and the blogger them say, oh, I'm a Labour right. So them now, you know. So you know, say them they call Mr. Vegas a patriot Labour. You know, say them a PMP criminal organization supporters and like that. So them love the crime. Although them a look out on the crime, you know. Them don't know say I support them, I support it. Look on the people them who are the main instigator and criminals responsible for the extortion, the murders them in Jamaica. Who even one of the biggest PMP bloggers said that. Say it. You understand? And them don't say a word. But when Mr. Vegas a different Jamaica now, them say no, oh, Mr. Vegas a Labour. Mr. Vegas a patriot. I don't care if him even a Labour, him a patriot. Because him love Jamaica, team Jamaica himself. And we applaud him for that. Yeah. You understand? So let's unite and protect the legacy of our beautiful island. Let us follow the example of Usain Bolt, Chris Gayle, and Edward Seaga. Said, true patriots stand by their country, not against it. Yeah, repeat that, you know, to our dummies them. True patriots stand by their country, not against it. During the 18 years when the PMP in a reign, because I saw, you know, them because Bruce Gold and all them man, they was not Labour today. Them man, they are opportunists. The 18 years when the Labour them in a power and the crime and Jamaica become number one in the world, that one time Seaga organized in a diaspora to desecrate the Jamaican flag. Or we have a man who have no ties to Jamaica. Get all of them bossy slave here. You understand? Wilfred Rattigan, former FBI agent, Wayne Uglysom, and Rupert Francis, Dr. Rupert Francis, to desecrate the Jamaican flag. And you see it as cool. And then CVM and TVG run with it. Because them don't love Jamaica, them just all about to destroy. They want to burn it down and roll over ashes. Because them know so when the PMP criminal organization, that same time the corruption train does a roll. This is the least corrupt government we have in Jamaica in history since 1989. The least. Because I did my research and I posted the video up there. Because I now met no guys Sully the name, you know, Jamaica name in the international media. Because me, although my allegiance is to Uncle Sam, me still Jamaica because I'm born at this my neighbor string cut. My neighbor string cut at Jonestown. That guy can't tell me nothing. You understand? But this my neighbor string cut down on Jubilee, Jonestown. So no guy can't tell me nothing. You understand? All the time I could dummy guy on him thing, we have to worry about them. Because you see. So you know. So true patriots stand by them country, not against it. And Baby Trump and Jamaican. We know that. Because with a same people in a PMP criminal organization, we're close to him and Peter Bunting, call we and tell we after them kill the 2 people them at Gregory Park last year. Sweeney and Rum Punch. Because when we do the video and we talk about what happened in the 70s and it touch a card inside of the person, them say no. And because them hear some big time PMP when know me. Say boy, one thing with Chris is a credible person. And them speak highly about, and that's why them contact me. You understand? Yeah, so you see, right now in our diaspora, when a team say, you know, so you look right there, see the big court dealer there, Buju Banton. Yeah man, Buju Banton relationship with a serial killer, Donald Zeke Swips. Now, there are 2 peas in a pod. It's also Shaggy. And you don't see none of them, you don't see them come out and so him, you know, all a fake rasta there, you know. May I tell you, say Jamaican people, they love criminal, you know. As you see all him, them love him, you know. The man that taste coke, you know. But coke destroy black people, you know. Them still honor him, you know. That for sure, say black people, them love things that destroy them. Them love destructive behavior. And a man like that, them what? I told you, them see a man out there, but look, you see the American them now, you see, them find out now, say him kill dog, just watch. Nobody feel say, you know, nobody feel say we forgot about you, you know, Buju Banton. Because we don't like you, you know. Because you're destructive, you know. You kill dog, and a whole heap of people you kill, plus coke a thing will destroy black people. And you're not a rasta. You're dread. Keep it and sizzle all on a rasta. Because none of them want to say stand up for Jamaica, I'll shag you. You're supposed to stand up for Team Jamaica because you're not Jamaican and not PMP. So you're not PMP, you don't care. So we know you're traitor, the only artist, you understand, we're in the diaspora, we know say Jamaican and Mr. Vegas. Not even all the shop, not even Shabarang. Shabarang said come out and say nothing. Because what? That's true, you know, so most of the drug dealer them and promoter them and most of them are PMP. We are said them are PMP criminal organization supporters and activists in our music business. Very little bit of labor right in our music business because the music consists of drug dealing and all of these things. Very few. So that's why Shabarang said nothing. We know say you're labor right, you just come out and defend Jamaica. You're not boy, you're labor right, you're a patriot. And I come out and lick out and tell the people them so what? You're a spokesman for Jamaica. In time that when the rear admiral them turn against you, Jamaica never turn against you. Jamaica support you. We not talk about the PMP criminal organization government. Because them never like you. Because you did that do song that was going against what they were doing in Jamaica. And so was the Rastaman until the Dread exposed him real self and sell him soul. So we continue the journey. You understand? So true patriots stand with them country, not against it. So to get together, we can ensure that Jamaica remains strong, proud and free from corruption and betrayal. From traitors like Buju Banton, Dr. Rupert Francis, Wilfred Rattigan, Wayne Uglysom, Shaggy, yeah man, Capleton, Sizzler. When I team here, Queen of Africa defend Jamaica. Because she should have defend, yeah. You do something, but everything can communicate together. Defend Jamaica, brand Jamaica, because when anytime a guy out there demonstrate against brand Jamaica might demonstrate against Jamaica. Jamaica Labour Party is not, or the government is not Jamaica. Them all, you understand, they are part. So when you as a PMP, you know, see yourself as a Jamaican, you're a traitor. Yes. But them people, that's why I stay far from them in a foreign, you know. Yeah man, I stay far from them. Even family. I stay far, because you know, no sense in it, for you're a traitor, you know. And he's a criminal-minded person. I mean, I want nothing for doing it, you know. You're not going to make me lose my security. I'm in a business with you and them things. You understand? Yeah. I just saw it go. You know, see. So I've always told my fellow Jamaicans that those who were born and raised as PMP criminal organization supporters and activists have never indeed seen themselves as Jamaicans. They identify more with their political allegiance than with the nation itself. So PMP don't see themselves as Jamaican, they see themselves as PMP. I tell you that. I just saw it go. That's why them in a diaspora now desecrate the Jamaican flag. But them not even know say everything when them do that now go out, that now affect Jamaica. Because tourists still go to Jamaica see me. You You understand? So when them do that, them all like, but still, you know, you can't shame the shameless, you know. Because PMP, remember say them promote criminality, you know. You understand? And we're going to show you a video of a boy from a PMP come in. They come a foreign, come shoot all police. And then them kill him. You understand? PMP, yeah man. We are telling that. And you are the former FBI, you are the FBI agent in New York. Say the gully man pass them. They never ram for shoot off for them in New York. And then bring them down. It's the same Jamaican them use in the FBI. Not Ratty. Well, we don't know if I him still, you know. But we don't call the FBI agent name. So as you notice, you say, yeah man. So Shaggy and Butch Shaggy and the court dealer Buju Banton. Them are not Jamaican, them are PMP. And you know say, Shaggy, you know hear me come out and I say, boy, I want to do that. Yeah man, them all if you come out and do that against the Jamaican flag. No, them are PMP, them not see themselves as Jamaican. Although see big you know the court dealer and them thing. You understand? You know, say for any other Donald Trump in a president, this a court dealer you couldn't come back in America. You understand? Not care what kind of thing in a law. Oh, cause him aid court dealer. You understand? Any other Donald, you understand what I'm saying? So we don't know. But through Joe Biden must know say boy, some of most Jamaican them love them are criminal, them love support criminal because one God's earth this a man that depend camera taste coke and a coke will destroy black people life and only see a man still a support a man like that. Not even music me listen. I don't listen to nothing what him say. Because my man are carousing. The man are everything that antithetical to black people for destroy them. Him. You understand? And see the other one Shaggy, a man say boy, you know, me not even look here, me not have a problem with a man and them thing, they migrate and one and two little things, you know. My father used to serve the but the man they are not Jamaican, the man they are PMP. So it go. PMP you know see themselves as Jamaican. And them wanna desecrate the flag. Not one of them stand up to this big belly white boy from England. How you mean? So what? Him not Jamaican. Him not Jamaican, him now no ties to our country. Him not even one that him a bicycle in there. And the whole of them afraid of him. Even PJ Pat is just start up little. And them say man, because it's a cult, you know. Them say man that him no respect for him. If I wonder if all Michael Manley was alive, if Michael Manley talk up if them would have respect him. Because I saw them stay, you know. Them not no respect, yeah man. So, you know, we continue, you know, moving on. As we tell you, say, them identify, the PMP people, them normally identify with them political party. Them identify, them allegiance is not with the Jamaican and with Jamaica itself. So this is because they are not patriots. Many PMP criminal organization supporters and activists, I mean I say this without no apologies, them lack even a third grade education and their actions in desecrating brand Jamaica are not only disrespectful but also traitorous on all fronts. The influence of Mark Baby Trump Golding. How is it that a white British man like Mark Baby Trump Golding has managed to convince black Jamaicans? Yeah man, see them there. Black Jamaicans. See Mark, see him say Golding, go Golding, yeah man. Yeah man, that I see him Shaggy, you know, you understand? Remember, you know, boy, I tell you, you know, yeah man, a traitor them, you know. Traitor. And even, you know, so they identify more with them party than Jamaica. Yeah man, them are not Jamaican. Jamaicans, how him get Jamaican to demonstrate against their homeland? A white man get black people to do that. You know, see when a traitor man. This speaks volumes about the level of unpatriotism among these individuals. It is a disgrace that some Jamaicans are willing to undermine their own country for a mere $100, marching and demonstrating against Jamaica to sabotage its economy. So a Jamaican willing to take $100, $100 for go stand up out there, desecrate the Jamaican flag. Because the money when them get, it come through the drugs boy when him Rick Dick. You understand? Yes. Rick Dick. And charge badness and color from in New York, from New Jersey. $100. Our man sell out him own country for $100. You know, so a traitor man, worse than Judas. You understand? So to those in the diaspora who know these Jamaicans participate in such activities, understand this. You are associating with Judases and traitors. If you are friends with them, you are an enemy of Jamaica. Plain and simple. There's no middle ground here. True patriots stand with their country, not against it. It is time for all Jamaicans at home and abroad to recognize our true patriots and call out those who betray our nation. We must unite to protect and uplift Jamaica, standing firm against any actions that seek to harm our beloved homeland. Together, we can preserve the integrity and pride of our nation, ensuring a prosperous future for all. To the other artists in Jamaica and those living abroad, the time is now to stand up for Jamaica. Shaggy, criminal organization supporter, Buju Banton, Shabba Ranks, Damian Jr. McGang Marley, the Marley brothers, your silence disappoints. Yeah, man. Your silence disappoints. And the others, Steve Marley, Ziggy Marley. Yeah, man. Are you afraid of being labeled a patriot? Or are you afraid of being labeled a JLP supporter because you support Jamaica? Supporting Jamaica is not a labor right thing, it's a Jamaican thing. So is either you're loyal to Jamaica or you're not loyal at all. You're a traitor. You understand? Let me remind you that defending Team Jamaica is not a political act, but a patriotic duty. Since when did standing up for our national brand become a partisan issue? Since when you stand up for Jamaica, you're a PMP. You're a labor right. Because PMP not defend Jamaica. Because 100 US you take them to sell out Jamaica. 100 US you take them to sell out Jamaica. Your reluctance to speak out makes you appear as weaklings and cowards, afraid of the real traitors who undermine our nation's progress. History will not be kind to those who remain silent in adversity. We will ensure that the names of those who fail to stand up for Jamaica are remembered as traitors to our cause. It is time for us to unite and defend our beloved country. Mr. Vegas has set an example of true patriotism. Let us follow his lead and work together, shoulder to shoulder, to build a better Jamaica for all. The PMP criminal organization a blight on Jamaica. As a man born in Johnson and raised in Concrete Jungle, King 12, I have witnessed firsthand disgraceful behavior perpetrated by the PMP criminal organization. What they are doing to Jamaica alongside other traitors is nothing short of reprehensible. It is clear to me now why God made me unique. To think independently and see the truth for what it is. I serve in the Jamaica Constabulary Force under the most corrupt government led by the late Michael Manley and Percival James Patterson, two of Jamaica's most dishonest, wicked, criminal-minded prime ministers. Jamaican was so rampant with crime, so pervasive that they reached a boiling point, compelling me to migrate to the United States, where I have lived for decades. The PMP criminal organization most hateful president, the most hateful man was the late Michael Manley. It was the late Edward Seaga, and all of these things were perpetrated by Michael Manley. For the people them hate Edward George Philip Seaga, a true patriot, when he left office in 1989. The murder rate was under 400. However, under the PMP criminal organization led by Michael Manley and PJ Patterson, the murder rate skyrocketed, placing Jamaica amongst the top 10 countries in the world for murder rate, and eventually the highest in the world for a year. Yeah, and a PJ Patterson, that's when Jamaica become the murder capital for the world. The PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. Majority of the people them in the Kingston metropolitan area are PMP communities. They are PMP. All them see them way out for make life is through crime. PMP criminal that's why them have all the PMP is so sophisticated. Them have all criminal organization, Jamaican for Justice defend criminals. All that. And in a political party that is a criminal organization. You understand? So despite despite the rampant congestion, Siaga never incited the Jamaican diaspora to tarnish Jamaica's image abroad during the PMP reign. So the corruption that we have witnessed with the police officers, the top police officers like Renita Adams, Derek Cowboy, Clappy Knight, Arsmouth, DCP Bailey, Tilford Johnson, who were promoted not for their merits but for their criminal activities in support of the PMP criminal organization. Standing with Mr. Vegas, I hold immense respect for your counter-protest actions. Anyone who questions your motives is not a patriot but a supporter and activist of the PMP criminal organization who are willing to burn down Jamaica down to the ashes. Mr. Vegas, your courage and patriotism are commendable. You have my utmost support at the Jamaica Young Police channel. To all Jamaicans, both home and abroad, it is time to stand up against the corruption and crime perpetrated by the PMP criminal organization. The author, writer, promoter, supporter, enabler, financier of criminality in Jamaica. Remember, they are the one that gave us the Klansman gang, and that's how criminality spread island-wide, because everyone, all of these youths in the rural Jamaica want to become a part of them because they want others to be afraid of them because they can kill them, but they don't want to be killed themselves. The national interest transcends political affiliation. Defending Jamaica should never be seen as a partisan act. It's a patriotic duty to protect and preserve the black, green, gold colors of our national flag. So before we end this video, take a moment to look back at what we have done in this video. Remember, I told Jamaican patriot Usain Bolt and Chris Gayle, these men exemplify what it means to stand by their country and island, Jamaica. No PMP criminal organization, supporters or activists could ever persuade them to sell out their nation. So if you are a PMP criminal organization, supporters or activists, whether at home or in the diaspora, and you support the foreigner Mark Babychum Golden is doing to Jamaica, then know this: you are not a Jamaican patriot. You are a traitor. You are a traitor. Jamaica needs us all to unite and fight against the forces that seek to undermine our progress and prosperity. Let us follow Mr. Vegas' example to build a better, safer and more just Jamaica for all. Together we can ensure our nation's future be free from the blight and corruption of crime perpetrated on Jamaica by the PMP criminal organization. That's all they have done. They know how to create criminals. The PMP. I was born and raised in a PMP community, Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, Kingston 12. The guy can't take that from me. That's in my birth certificate. That's in my genes. It's just as I am totally different because I can think. Those of you who can't think, others will think for you. No one can think for me. I can think for myself. Have yourself a beautiful day. And thanks, Mr. Vegas. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.